Hey everyone, I'm Jason Catron.
Carlos Santiago.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
Careful ceramic.
Careful ceramic
and sip.
Hot. So we're filming middle of the day today, as opposed at night. And you know what? I don't really drink alcoholic beverages in the day unless I'm on vacation. So, and Carlos likes coffee instead of alcoholic beverages. So I was like, you know what? We're gonna let Carlos have tea today. I'm gonna have coffee, and we're gonna react to some videos for you guys. Hey, welcome. We're so glad to see all your faces. Hit that subscribe button.
Hit it.
Join us over at Patreon. We'll give you a shout out if you do. We got fun stuff there as well. What are we reacting to today, Carlos?
Today we are coming back with one of our favorites, one of your favorites that we would have not known as a channel from the very early stages. She has been a foundational artist for this channel.
She really has.
And we're obviously talking about Asia's Phoenix.
Ooh, Morissette.
And doing a collaboration with Ferdinand Aragon. And they're on the Wish bus. The
Wish 107.5.
Couldn't have done it better myself.
Guess what I found out? So I just performed, before we get into this video.
Yeah.
Just performed at the Jollibee Annual Awards Gala in California. It was amazing. Was submersed into the Jollibee world and had the best time singing some songs for those amazing people. Really honored to have done that. As you guys know, I'm going to be doing a show with Gigi Delana.
Very exciting.
April 27th, so that's coming up. Really fun. But you guys, just let me know who you want to know in the Philippines, and I may have a connection now.
You do.
In fact, I'm hoping that on this channel, we're going to not only keep reacting to a lot of Filipino singers, but we're going to meet them. Might even get to interview some of them.
Would love that.
Like, this was crazy. And I found out there's a Wish 107.5. Well, it's probably not 107.5, but there's a Wish bus in Los Angeles.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah, and I'm going to try to get on that thing,
You need to get on it.
How cool would that be? Let's react to this video.
You got to do the thing.
I'm talking too much. I'm so excited. We haven't done a Wish bus in a while.
It's been a long time.
That is the cleanest bus I've ever seen in my life.
I love it. I love this acoustic intro.
Yeah. It's really like these vocals shine.
Wish 107.5.
There it is. Really nice tone and texture on this vocal. Nice, really tasteful. The subtitles aren't helping us at all, though.
I know, we're trying here.
Not working, guys.
These auto-generated subtitles are not great.
That's nice. I love the soft, sensitive casualness of both vocals. That was nice. How she floated on that note.
Little interlude.
Wish closer.
Uh-huh.
Wish 1075.
Yeah. Getting that back in there.
Hey, there it is. Both of them now.
Wow. That tonal blend is so close
good.
together. It's incredible.
Ooh. He's so relaxed.
Yes.
Tugay man ang paghuwat, apan karon niya nagta. Ug sa akong matagtikang padulong, diha sa imong tupad. Kay danggo kong gidahuman, mahuman, tungod matumanan.
Wowzers. Wowzers.
Good.
All right. You go while I look up the lyrics, because I
Okay.
got to know what they're saying.
Yeah, no, me too. This is one I didn't fully pick up on the full meaning behind the song. Sometimes I can't. Oftentimes you can. We've talked about it, like you don't have to know the language to pick up exactly what it is. So this one stumped me a little bit, but no, this was fantastic. Like it was like if you were going to paint anything, right? You're gonna or put on an outfit, and you want to pick colors that go together. Those two voices were the coloring.
Oh, yeah,
of
yeah.
brilliance together.
Yeah, yeah.
Right?
Complimentary.
So tasteful, so good. I also thought it was really cool. I don't know if you picked up on this or if you guys did at home, but like it was cool to me how, especially when they started singing together, they were really in the song, but oftentimes their eyes were closed, yet they were
Perfectly in sync.
perfectly in sync with each other. Eyes closed with earphones on, so their ability to not only tune together, but to tune into what the other was doing, fantastic. Absolutely brilliant.
Absolutely
Takeaways from me.
Okay, I've got a couple of lyrics here. Thank you, Google. Hey, we're really trying with the whole captions. We're not ignoring it, but sometimes they don't work. Google auto-generated.
We'll still get your comments.
Yeah,
we
so-
like all your comments.
Yeah.
We don't care if they're good or bad.
So
They're mostly good.
I didn't expect it that you were mine, because I have no power and nothing can be given, but I pray for you to the Most High, and now you are given here to me. The wait is long, but now here we are, and with every step, head right next to you, because my dream is coming true. It will be done because it will be done. It's not easy, our destiny, even if you are poor and even in wealth. So it's like a wedding song, wedding vows.
I'm going to learn this song and sing it at Carlos's wedding.
Be awesome. Morissette,
Morissette, will you join me there?
Yeah.
If that were happening, I would learn the language. For sure.
Right now, Tagalog. So beautiful. I mean, we'll finish reading the lyrics at some other point, but Yeah, you can definitely get the emotions behind that. But two things that I really noticed, and obviously there's a lot of post-production in these things, and as a techie, I always kind of look at it from that perspective. But as you mentioned, it doesn't matter how much post-production you put on something if they're not singing in sync with each other. It's not going to matter. It's not going to matter. It's not going to fix it. You know, he could have, you know, done his plosives too hard, his consonants too hard, and no amount of compression would fix that. And here's the other thing. Here's kind of like on the vocal side of things that I notice. She's such a great example, and he's my first introduction to his voice. But for Morissette, she is such a perfect example of having not just evenness, but the fact that different resonances are present at various registers. Because oftentimes people think, I'm in chest voice, so I'm just always going to be singing in chest voice. It's like, well, no, there's pharyngeal resonance there. It's just depending on where you are in your voice, other resonances are more prevalent.
Yeah, true.
And so she's not singing this as a power ballad as she usually does, but you can still hear good, healthy pharyngeal resonance, good heady quality in those verses, and for him too as well, because you can't hit those A flats repeatedly over and over again without having some good easy chord closure in that. So I just thought that was fantastic. Great lesson for singers to look at that and just be like, oh, I don't have to just be exclusive. You know, registers aren't mutually exclusive. They're always bouncing back and forth. It just reduces the amount of what is present at any given moment. So
that's a really, really incredible thing you pointed out there. It's another reason we react to so many artists from the Philippines. Not only do we have Philippines actually our second biggest audience on this channel, which is really cool. Thank you, Philippines. But you just value great singers there, and you create great singers, and it's really fun as coaches, because we are legit coaches. I know some of you question that out there at times, but as true coaches working in the throes of Nashville and Los Angeles and every part of the world, I love reacting to great singers. It gives me something to really dive into and chew on, and help you guys understand a little bit from as well, as you play around with singing these songs, or if you just listen and love watching reactions because you love hearing what others say about your favorite artist. It doesn't matter. It's all cool, and there's all great purpose when it's a great singer, and it's, I love it. Love great singers.
And it inspires us to be better too.
Totally.
You know, so it doesn't, you don't just look at it in admiration and say, I wish we could sing like them, and we're over here thinking like, well, we can sing like that. It's like, no, we wish we could sing like that too. We work really hard. We're good singers. We're great singers, but we look at some of the ease that some of these people sing with because they dedicate their lives to singing. You know, I'm just gonna be honest, and you know this too from teaching for, you know, decades now, like it becomes difficult to sing when you're helping other people learning how to sing because your voice wears out.
It does.
And so anyway, so it's super cool to be able to see all this stuff, and it inspires us to be better. Morissette, you inspire us to be better. Ferdinand, great to meet you over the Wish Bus. What a better place to meet someone than on the Wish Bus.
That's why we want to be on the Wish Bus. So I agree with that. Cheers to that sentiment.
Yes.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us. Until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Carlos Santiago.
And we are Vocal Lab
Collective.
Ding.